Okay, today we're here at Knott's Farm for the peanut celebration, and I went to Sutter's funnel cake, and I got the peanut butter and jelly stuffed deep fried French toast. So the French toast of the month, and it is $14.99. And this, yeah, here's some of the strawberry topping they put on some of the funnel cakes. Let's see. She put some actual. Yeah, here's some jam. She had one of those squeeze bottles of jam, and she was trying to squeeze it out, and it wasn't coming out very well. But here's the peanut butter. There's also powdered sugar on here, as if you need the extra powdered sugar. This was actually really good. Obviously, if you're allergic to nuts, you can't have this because it does have peanut butter in it. Oh, this one, you can see the peanut butter and the jelly. Yeah, this one's actually really good. Showcases the peanut butter and jelly and the French toast. So, and I'm very partial to peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. So, I'm gonna give this one an A+. I think it's delicious. And they do make the French toast ones, you know, when you order it. So it's going to take a few minutes, but at least it's going to be freshly made. It's not going to be sitting there. So, anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. And click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite. I'll see you in the next one.